welcome back to our series. This may be the last video of the Python basis. We will start advanced after this. I have said that we will work on web server. For making RPC web server, I recommend you to download phpMyAdmin of XAMPP server from apachefriends.org. Download latest version here from window and install it. I have already downloaded and installed it, and it will, after installing you will get a XAMPP control panel. We need Apache. This is a server and mysql is a database. It is used when we have to access same data from multiple places. It is best for us. We can host here also. After starting the localhost, we should simply type localhost. It will take to the dashboard. Go to phpMyAdmin. It will load it. Sorry, it has taking long time. Yes, there is no table. Let's create our database. Let's say database name is Python. Simply said Python. Yes, it has been created. Let's create table here. We need not to create from there. Let's say user. Let's remain columns as 4. We need not more. Yes, we have the grade in any of this. Here in SQLite also we can create new table here from here, same here, and I will explain it here. Same here. Let's it is a user. I said ID. Name, address, and contact. ID int, name should be varchar. There are many data types here. You can choose any of what is needed to you. Varchar, and contact should be 9. ID I will give the precision of 11. This is a precision or length. Suppose give 25. This is 55 and 10. Make it primary. Okay, go. This should be unique. Yes, it should be unique. We have done it. We should not type the code. Save it. Yes, table has been created. Here when we browse, it will give the data. Let's go to Python file and let's make, instead of SQLite, before that we have to go to this species C. We have installed Python 36 here, and go to script, or here type simply cmd to open command prompt of this. We have to install library for SQL, that is mysql. We should install Python py mysql. I have already installed. Please insert it. When you enter the value, it will automatically install. It is likely to 90 or 100 kb. It will install fast. And then after, let's go to file. Instead of SQLite 3, we have to import pymysql. Then connection will be done as it. This is same, we will connect it, but we need here something else. We need host. What is host here? Let's browse in. This is localhost, means where we are hosting our database. If we are hosting in any website, we will give the link of this website here. What is our file? Yes, here is our file, host. Simply localhost, and we have to give user is equal to, by default it is root. In our case there may be user in the website that we create database. Here it is root by default. We can create a user also. I have not created any here. Root, we should give the password of that user here. Password is equal to, here I have no password, and we should give database name. db is equal to, what is our database name? I think it is Python. This is Python. Simply we have give database. Let's insert into this. For this we have to make cursor. Cursor is equal to connection dot cursor. Let's make it. Cursor will execute the data for any operation, insert or deletion. Let's say insertion here. Insert into table name. What is our table name? User. This is user. What is our file? As here is our file. Users. Let's give its value, maybe ID, name, I think so, address and contact. Let's check it because we need same parameter as the order. Let's check it as ID, name, address, contact, and we should match spelling too. We should give values. I want to give 1 2 3 4 5, comma, let's give Rayan. His address is house address, and his contact is 987654321. 321. We have to, sorry for this, we have to insert here 0. Let's save it and run. What we will get the result? There may be some warning. Contact at out of range. It says contact is out of range. ID, insert into table. Python. Let's see the table. Yes, we have table contact too. Let's find ID, name, address, add, ress, address, contact. Oh, sorry, contact out of range 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Let's browse it. What is the value we have given? we have given 10. Let's let one save, run. It should execute. It has, yes, it has been inserted already. Sorry, it has been inserted already. Let's change the value 4 and let's change the value to 7. Let's run it. Yes, it is inserting. Let's browse it. Yes, we have get it. Yes, we have get it. Sorry, the contact number was something wrong in first time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It has taken a wrong contact number while we insert. Now it may take 10. Something wrong happened before. I want to 334. Let's save it. Run it. Sorry, we have get duplicate value, means here something is wrong here. When we try this, it is converting the values. I don't know. Let's run it. It is converting. I will fix it in next video. We have already done it. Let's only insert these 3 values, then see what it is giving. Run it. Field default value has not given, means we have to provide contact, and we have to provide here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If we provide more than 9, it is taking next value. I don't know why. I should change. I should maybe change. It has already inserted. I want to make it 2 2. Let's run it. It should run it. Yes, it has run it. Check it. Yes, here first time it is giving 0 because it has out of range. Let's change the structure of this. Change. We will get 11. It will take up to, means last value will be less than 11th position, means 10 times 1 should be last value for this. So we are getting the problem. Now insert it. Let's see here. 1 1 1 2 1 1 2. I will insert it. Sorry, let's run it. It should not give. Yes, we are not getting error now, means we should make integer one position more, then we will get the same result as 10 position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here they are 9 position. 2 4 6 8 10. It is taking 10 position, but the value should not be exceed more than this. 2 1 4 7 4 8 3 6 4 7. And here also it may be some constant for 11 digit. Here 10 digits should not be more than this. So we were inserting maybe 987 something. This is greater than 213 this value, so it has taken the highest value here. As we have connect this, and all the queries we have done before are same for this. Try in this server also. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet soon in our project. I want to make graphics also, and after creating some project in this database handling, and we will go to for GUI project in the Python. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.